Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a very short update, of course, before we start the weekend, literally, and of course, that what it could happen. So I would like to update you with a scenario very likely to happen, by the way, because I saw this happened in a Dogecoin, and it gave me the inspiration that this might apply very well on Bitcoin, especially on this weekend range when it starts. So this scenario is the following: W, X, and a Y in a triangle, which is a perfect scenario, of course, for a weekend range as well, where we are now on the 15-minute chart. We might finish this triangle in during the weekend and start to moving towards the upside with a nice finish WXY and also a very long correction. And that might happen, of course, after this big correction can happen after such a wave 3 towards the upside. This is very likely. So Dogecoin has the same pattern right now, and it has given me the inspiration that could happen in Bitcoin as well. And it is perfect for a weekend range where we can see, of course, some ranging in a triangle, and of course that would give us a much better price condition, of course, after this correction, because yeah, very aggressive wave 3 towards the upside needs a longer time, of course, to find the right price for Bitcoin, right, between the buyers and the sellers in this trade towards us. It needs to balance the price, right, to see exactly the right price and then start to move explosively towards the upside. I have mentioned in Dogecoin as well that after such a long correction, we might see very massive move towards the upside, of course, after finishing such a massive correction, and especially that we have finished a Y in a triangle. Normally, your wave 4 finishes in triangle, but this time is WXY in triangle even. So that means it's a very deep correction for Bitcoin, and we are looking for higher prices after it, and it might be very explosive. Now, why I'm saying we might not see higher prices? Because of the following reasons. First, we see here a 0.23 not been touched at all. And that means this, of course, is not characteristic of a wave 1, 2. At least it can be, okay, of course, a zigzag for a wave B here, which it should be, of course, I mean, at least the 0.23. Now, your wave 2 should be at least 0.38. Therefore, of course, a zigzag is much closer in possibilities than a wave 2. And of course, if we have a zigzag here, zigzag up, zigzag down, and up and down, we're gonna finish this triangle perfectly in the Y and in the wave 4, of course, for the orange scenario, and then I'm ready to move explosively towards the upside over 100K, definitely. The second reason that we are not impulsive is that if I have to take this as 1, 2, look what a target for a wave 3 after such a massive drop, which is a little bit not making a sense, right? 110,000 directly from a 90,000. That is a 20,000 for Bitcoin. So yeah, it could happen in your explosive wave 3, but not in your wave 5, guys. Yeah, so this is the reason. And yeah, so these are the updates basically. Yeah, Dogecoin gave me this inspiration because he has the same correction after a very massive wave 3. We might need, of course, a very long correction, and that means, of course, we're gonna have a very deep correction because of the massive explosive wave before. So the price needs, of course, time to balance between the sellers and the buyers to find the exact right price for Bitcoin at this point, and then moving explosively towards the upside again. So yes, these are the scenarios. The most possible for the weekend is gonna be perfect range for the weekend, and of course we're gonna see what's gonna happen. These are the updates that I would like to tell you about it, and of course that I don't expect to be very impulsive and to get the high or even to get low and to get the low heave. I think we're gonna range in between those prices, guys, for the whole weekend. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes. Don't forget to join Discord, of course, to get KGT indicator for free for the older version. And if you would like to have the new version, you can get a full membership for lifetime as well. and of course with much more features inside it and for all cryptos. The descriptions below shows all the information. So thank you for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.